of your watermark or maybe a photo that you.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Before continuing, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome videos. Yeah guys, what's up? It's Mr. NY back with another video. Today we are going to see how to customize YouTube Studio, and firstly you have to go in your studio.youtube.com link from a mobile or maybe PC. In mobile you have to click desktop, maybe something. In the three buttons there are desktop app and you have to click on that and you have to go through the link, and in the PC you can directly go into it. So here say hello new YouTube Studio, goodbye Classic Studio. So there is some information, you can click on learn more to get more. So I will just turn it off because it's just a YouTube video. So here you have the channel dashboard, you can upload videos directly from here, or in the upside there is a create button. So you can click on it and you will see drag your video or select files directly from here. So you can just go to this and upload your file directly. I will close it. Then you have the channel analytics. Here all the analytics of your video, like subscribers and view counts and how much time people are watching your videos, how much do they like the videos and everything, and your total overall analytics are stored over here. The side there is also another things like Creator Studio and how to improve your YouTube's app, and how to upload good types of video. There it is given what's new in the studio is given right over here. And yeah, that was it in the dashboard. You can also customize the dashboard by going into settings, but maybe we just like to keep it as it is. It is also looking good. And after clicking on that hamburger button you can see there are many options like content. Firstly we can go in content and see whatever videos we have uploaded, or maybe the live streams. You can also filter that out, like if my video contains copyright claim or something like that, and you can just see which videos are there, if my video has an age restriction like that or something. So here in the live stream you can get started, or in the videos you can just upload videos directly from here also. And in the playlist button, after clicking on the playlist button you can go into channel playlist and see how many playlists have you created. You can create on the new playlist button and add some title, and make the visibility from public unlisted to private, and you can just create it right over here. After clicking on that button you will go to youtube.com and slash playlist the link, and it will open that playlist that you have just created. In my case I have created abdv something, a random name, and I can edit its name and also edit the description, and you can save it. You can also change here public, private and all that we can do in the create playlist button. Also here in the analytics you can just go and check out how much videos you have uploaded, how much views did you get in the last 28 days, and lifetime you can see how many views you have in total from when you have uploaded your first video till right now. In my case this is a new channel that I have shown in the previous video, and so it doesn't have anything because I haven't uploaded anything. It is just an example type video or channel maybe. And yeah, here you can also see real time updating live. So everything is uploaded live and you can see the live count also. Here in the comment section, from starting they have a filter that I haven't responded, like the comments which I haven't seen or any responded. So that's the previous one. And also it is held for review. So if there is a cuss word in the comment, then that will be held for the channel's review. And next one, there is subtitles, copyright, monetization, customization. In the customization column you can customize what the people can see when they go to the channel directly, and here you can add some sections. Previously it has short videos and uploads, and in the video spotlight you can add a main trailer of your channel, maybe something like that. In the profile, in the branding section, you have profile picture, banner image, that is on the topest section of your YouTube channel. Also a watermark that you can directly maybe upload it, an external photo of your watermark, or maybe a photo that is.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
And also you can edit the name of your channel from here, add the description, and your channel URL is over here. You can just copy it. You can add links over here, and the links can be anything from your social media handles to your blogs and like that. Here it is contact info. Also you can add your email address over here. Here now you can see that there is an audio library. In the audio library, these all musics that you can see right now are non-copyright music, so you can just directly see, watch the music, hear the music, and download it. In the settings option, when we go to settings, there is a general option like default units that you can receive after you have completed your monetization. Then here it is, previously they have set to US dollar. You can change it from any revenue that is legit revenue, from US dollar to UK's euros and India's INR, Indian national rupees. And here in the channel section you can see the channel name. You can add the tags over here, and there is another option to choose your country, right? So you can choose a country from where you are uploading the videos, or where you are residential, or and in the advanced setting you can just add some things like automatic captions you want. And if people are watching your videos are children, or means kids or not kids, then also you can see that there is subscriber count. So if you want that, you can add it. And in the feature eligibility column, default features are already enabled. Some features like you can upload videos above 15 minutes are requiring the phone verification option. So here you need to verify your phone number, like I am just doing it. And you have to click on get code option, and it will just tell you a code, and you just need to enter that code from your messages option in your phone, and you can just enter it. You can just close it, and when it reloads, you can see it is enabled. Now you can also add custom thumbnails. You can go live streaming, and also content ID claims, like copyright claim. If your video has, then that video is directly blocked if your phone number is not registered. Then next one is upload defaults. Here you can just add a title that you want default in every video of your that you are uploading. So I can just example say movie clips NY, and in the description also. Here also you can set it that the video should be always private while uploading, and maybe the tags like that SEO. And advanced setting, here you can just add some more options that is not that much necessary. In the manage permissions, you can add permissions that not really necessary. I don't have set any permissions, but let's just go to the next one. In the community tab, you can add your editors, you can add your moderators that that can also handle your YouTube studio account. So you can add just them. And also you can block the links that are provided in the comments. Like some people provide that links which are there for promoting their own channel, so you can just block them. And hold potentially inappropriate comments should be on, so you can see everyone's comment which are having some of the curse words. And yeah, that's it for this video. This is Mr. NY signing out. Thanks for watching.